Hello everyone. Before we get started, I want to let you know that every tip you'll hear here comes from technicians with years of experience at a highly respected appliance repair shop in the city. So let's go ahead and fix that issue. When the L5 code appears on a treadmill, it usually indicates a problem with the automatic incline system or the incline motor. Basically, the machine tries to raise or lower the incline and detects that something isn't working the way it should. At the shop, we've seen this error many times, especially on treadmills that are used frequently and don't receive regular maintenance. Many customers come in pretty frustrated and tell us things like, "I try to increase the incline and L5 shows up right away, like the motor isn't responding." Others mention that the error appears when turning the machine on or even while they're walking, which tells us the signal from the incline motor or sensor isn't reaching the console properly. The first thing we usually check is the incline motor and its connections. Over time, wires can loosen, collect dust, or wear out, which causes the console to receive an incorrect signal. One customer told us something that perfectly sums it up. "I unplugged and reconnected the motor wires, and the error disappeared." This shows that many times the problem isn't serious, just a loose wire or a dirty connector. If the wiring looks good, then we move on to checking the incline motor itself. Some motors can start to fail due to heavy use or overheating. One of the shop technicians always says, if the motor isn't sending the correct signal, the console assumes there's a fault and throws L5. That's why we always make sure the motor moves freely and doesn't make any unusual noises when adjusting the incline. Another component we check carefully is the incline position sensor. This sensor tells the console what position the treadmill is in. If it doesn't send the correct signal, the console thinks something is wrong and displays L5. Several customers have told us, the technician replaced the sensor and the treadmill started working right away. So in many cases, the issue can be fixed without touching the motor or the control board. In less common cases, the problem ends up being the main control board. While it's not the most frequent cause, if both the motor and sensor are working properly, the console may fail to interpret the signal and trigger L5. In those situations, the solution involves inspecting or replacing the board, something we always evaluate carefully before giving a final diagnosis. Technical bulletins from the manufacturer also mention that the L5 code can appear due to incline motor issues, faulty sensors, or loose connections, and they recommend checking these areas first before considering replacing more expensive components. At the shop, we follow that exact same approach because most cases are resolved with simple adjustments, cleaning, and checking the wiring.